Let me show you a simple and easy way to create a pumpkin using a cinnamon stick, some twine, and some nautical rope. Cut 4 pieces of twine, approximately 4 inches. Now I'm going to take my nautical rope and I'm going to wrap it around my forefingers about 20 times. Now cut the rope and get a piece of twine and wrap it in the center part. Tie a knot, add some hot glue in the center, and then tie a second knot. I'm going to make 3 more bundles. Now that I have my 4 bundles, I'm going to hot glue them around 1 cinnamon stick. Now I'm going to spread out the nautical rope and lastly add some fall leaves up at the top. I'm going to show you a no-brainer DIY using this fall Dollar Tree dishware. I'm going to take the plate, the smaller plate, the bowl, and a candle stand and stack them all together. Let me show you how I'm going to do this. I'm going to flip my plate upside down, and then I'm going to take my bowl and I'm going to hot glue both bottoms together. I'm going to flip my plate over and now I'm going to hot glue my candle stand in the center of the plate and then add this smaller plate on top of it. And now I have a 2-tier platter and I'm going to show you how I'm going to decorate it. I'm going to show you a weird but genius fall DIY using a plunger. Let me show you. I'm going to use some nautical rope and I'm going to cut 20 8-inch strips. I'm going to start by hot gluing 10 of those strips around the wood pole, and it'll look like this. To give it extra hold, I'm going to tie a piece of twine around it. Next, I'm going to unravel each strip, and it'll look like this. Next, I'm going to hot glue the last 10 strips, and I'm just going to go around the pole like I did the first time, except these are going to go a little bit above of where I glued the first set. Next, I'm going to unravel each strand again. I'm going to add some antique wax to my pole. And lastly, I'm going to add this bow that I made to the pole. And now I have this adorable broom for my fall decor. I'm going to show you another no skills needed using these Dollar Tree baskets. These are in the Halloween section. They have this black one. They also have a purple one and an orange one. They also have these bowls that have spiders on them, but they have like a funny shape to them. These are really nice just as they are, but if you spray paint them a different color, you can also have a really nice dish all year round. Just an FYI. So I'm going to do the same thing that I've done before with the plate and bowl. I'm just going to place one on top of the other just like this. Instead of the plate, I'm going to use this Dollar Tree charger. Now I'm just going to flip it upside down. Then I'm also going to flip the basket just like this, and I'm going to hot glue both bottoms together. And now you have this riser tray that you can use it with so many things, desserts, cookies, things like that. Well, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this really easy DIYs that you can create on your own. You have yourself a blessed day, and until my next one, bye-bye and God bless.